I got this 2.5 ton Torin floor jack from Walmart, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and I've used it a couple hundred times to jack up my previous car, working on some suspension projects, and it eventually just kind of stopped working. It gets up to around halfway, and the stroke stops doing anything, and it just doesn't go any higher. And I got a bunch of maintenance I need to do to my car. I didn't want to add the cost of another jack to the equation, so I figured we'll go the budget route and try to fix it with an $8 bottle of fluid. Looks like it's been leaking slowly out of the seal right here. I don't want to deal with that, so I'm just gonna put fluid in it. Wipe off the fill plug and the area around it. We're trying to keep any gunk from getting inside there when we're filling it up. Then we need to try to get that fill plug out of there. Mine was in there pretty good, and I made the mistake of using something sharp, and I kind of damaged mine, and I had to rig it to get it to stop leaking oil. More on that later. Picked up this bottle of jack oil with stop leak from AutoZone. It was like, I don't know, $8 after tax. It's got a nice little fill tip on it. Pretty easy to get in there. You're still gonna spill some though, so put a towel under the jack. And we're trying to get the fluid level to just cover the little flat surface that you can see inside the hole. It's actually kind of hard to tell, and I ended up overfilling it, and so I just used some paper towel to absorb a little bit of the oil out of there until it looked like I had enough space to stuff the fill plug back in there. And we're gonna need to try to get this fill plug back in there. It was very stubborn. Probably didn't help that I mutilated it with a sharp object, so learn from my mistakes. Eventually, with enough force and a couple of hammer taps, it goes back in and we get to test the jack out. And it goes all the way up. Problem is, of course, I mutilated my fill plug, so oil is seeping out of it. I'm gonna have to pop it out of here and try to rig it to seal it better. The internet tells me that plumber's tape works pretty well for this, so that's what we're gonna do. At first I put about a, 6-inch piece of tape on there. Put the plug back in. I was still getting some leaking, so I pulled it back out, put a little bit more on there, and finally I was able to get it to seat fully, firmly, and to stop leaking oil. I neglected to record the full bleeding process, but it was pretty simple. I just jacked it up all the way, dropped it all the way back down, and then slightly pushed the fill plug to the side until I heard air seeping out. I did that, 4 or 5 times until it kind of stopped leaking any air. And then it's time to actually test it and see if it holds my car for an extended period of time. So, put it on a jack point and got my back wheel off the ground about 1 inch, and then left it there for 45 minutes just to see if it moved at all. And it did not. So this jack will now be used for the rest of my maintenance needs. Yay.